Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix slow charging on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. So, to fix the charging, what we're going to do first is we're going to go to settings. So, there are two ways to check it. First, we want to make sure that we have super fast charging enabled. So, we want to go over into the battery. Once we are in the battery, of course, we scroll down and we go to charging settings. Once you go here, make sure that you have enabled show charging information. So you will see the estimated time. Also, sometimes it will show that you're charging with a slow charger. Here, if you have fast charging disabled, then that's the first reason. Make sure to enable it. And then make sure that the battery protection is not capping the level. So you can turn it off for a couple of seconds and check that out. Make sure that you use the 45 watt adapter and a 3 ampere USB-C cable, and then you can plug in your phone. Plug the cable into your phone. So I'm gonna plug it right here. Now, as you guys can see, I am charging it. Let's see what charging it is. We have the super fast charger 2.0 connected, so everything works just fine. If there are some issues, you can also try and clean your charging port, and then you will see that the charging indicator is changing. So that's what you guys can do here to fix your slow charging. As a last resort, make sure to update your software to fix any battery glitches. So go to software update, click check for updates, and make sure that you're on the latest version. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.